In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor ChatGPT brand mentions 2026 full guide. We'll walk through how to spot when a response is grounded in live web data, open the detailed sources panel, evaluate credibility and freshness, understand why sources might be missing, and nudge the model to present references in a clear layout when you need it. Start by scanning the response itself for interactive markers that indicate web grounding. Inline link tokens sit right at the end of a sentence, often as small colored or numbered brackets or site name chips. These are your quick anchors to the underlying material. You'll also notice clickable entity highlights on important brands, people, places, or products. They appear as bold text with a faint dotted underline. Clicking or tapping these launches a compact context card so you can preview background details without leaving your flow. When you're tracking brand mentions, these highlights make it obvious which entities the model considers central, and the inline links show where claims came from. Next, open the dedicated sources panel to see everything the model consulted. Look just below the completed response, toward the lower left edge, for the button labeled Sources. Depending on your layout, you might see a globe or link stack icon instead. Click it, and a Sources tab panel slides in on the right side of your screen. On mobile, it may appear as a drawer along the bottom. This panel is a transparent research directory listing the verified favicon and official site name, the exact hyperlinked article, title, or page header, and a short excerpt or timestamp that indicates when the information was published or last updated. Use this directory to assess credibility and freshness before you rely on a claim. Check publication dates, which matter a lot for fast-moving topics like market shifts, policy updates, or software releases. Scan for diversity. Multiple distinct domains suggest cross-examination, while a single source on a technical claim is a cue to verify independently. And always run the click-through test. Open any title to load the original page in a new tab and trace the precise paragraph that informed the answer. If you don't see a sources button at all, the response likely didn't use external web lookup. That can happen when the answer comes from static training knowledge, when the task is purely mathematical or logical, or when the output was built entirely from your own uploaded files or active personalization memories. Finally, when you want stricter citation structure, instruct the model explicitly. Try. Execute a comprehensive web search regarding insert topic. After providing your detailed breakdown, construct a clean markdown summary table at the very bottom, listing every source used. The table must feature 3 columns. 1. Source name. 2. Core claim supported. And 3. Clean clickable hyperlink. And that is all for today. Utilizing the built-in sources panel on the right side of your screen is the absolute fastest way to verify your facts, audit your research, and prompt with total confidence. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.